Hello viewers, welcome to our review. The Pendulum Van 2025 has finally hit the streets, and it's time to dive into what makes this futuristic van stand out. Starting with the exterior, the design is sleek yet commanding, blending sharp aerodynamic lines with bold, muscular accents. The front grille, illuminated by a striking LED bar, gives it a modern edge, while the seamless integration of slim headlights speaks to its high-tech ambitions. It feels like a concept car brought to life, and on the road, it's sure to turn heads. Step inside, and the Pendulum van greets you with a cabin that redefines space and comfort. The materials used scream luxury, with soft-touch surfaces, premium leather seats, and a minimalist dashboard layout. A massive tablet-style infotainment system takes center stage, equipped with all the latest tech, from real-time navigation updates to an impressive voice assistant. One of the standout features is the modular seating, allowing you to reconfigure the interior with ease. Perfect for family road trips, work commutes, or even a quick nap with its iFlex seat mode. Under the hood, the 2025 Pendulum van is no slouch. It offers an all-electric powertrain with an impressive range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, making it a practical choice for both city driving and long journeys. The acceleration is surprisingly quick for a van, giving you that instant torque EVs are known for. It handles smoothly, and the adaptive suspension ensures a comfortable ride even on rough roads. For drivers, the enhanced autopilot feature is a game-changer. It's not fully autonomous, but offers a reliable, hands-free driving experience in certain conditions, taking some of the stress out of long trips. On the practical side, the Pendulum van excels with an expansive cargo space. The rear hatch opens wide, and with the rear seats folded flat, you get enough room to fit everything from camping gear to bulky equipment. Charging is made convenient with ultra-fast DC charging, giving you an 80% boost in just under 30 minutes. Plus, the van comes with vehicle-to-grid capabilities, letting you use it as a backup power source for your home or even a tailgate party. Overall, the 2025 Pendulum van feels like a glimpse into the future of mobility. It balances luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology in a way that few vehicles manage to pull off. Whether you're a family on the go or someone looking for a versatile, eco-friendly ride, the Pendulum van is a solid contender. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments if this is the van for you, or if you're holding out for something else.